10 benefits of using septic tank treatment. A septic tank plays a vital role in managing household waste, but without proper maintenance, it can become clogged or inefficient. Using septic tank treatment regularly ensures your system works efficiently, lasts longer, and prevents costly repairs. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the key benefits of using septic tank treatment. 1. Prevents clogs and blockages. Septic tank treatments introduce beneficial bacteria that break down waste, preventing clogs and blockages in pipes in the tank. This keeps the system running smoothly. 2. Enhances waste breakdown. Treatments speed up the decomposition of organic waste by boosting bacterial activity. This ensures your system operates at full capacity, without waste buildup. 3. Improves system efficiency. Regular treatment helps maintain bacterial balance in the tank, improving the efficiency of wastewater flow and filtration, leading to fewer issues and better overall performance. 4. Reduces environmental impact. Using septic tank treatment ensures waste is properly broken down, reducing the risk of harmful pollutants contaminating the soil and groundwater. 5. Prolongs the life of the system. Septic tank treatments help prevent the system from becoming overloaded, extending its lifespan and reducing the chances of costly repairs or replacement. 6. Cost-effective. Maintaining your septic system with regular treatment is a much more affordable option than dealing with major repairs caused by neglect. It's an investment that pays off in the long run. 7. Reduces odors. Septic tank treatments help break down waste more efficiently, preventing unpleasant odors that often result from bacterial imbalances in the tank. 8. Prevents system overload. By breaking down waste at a steady rate, treatments prevent the system from becoming overloaded, reducing the risk of backups and overflow. 9. Supports drain field health. Treatments also benefit the drain field by preventing the buildup of solids that can clog it, ensuring the system remains healthy and efficient. 10. Simple to apply. Septic tank treatments are easy to use and require no professional help. Regularly adding treatments keeps your system in top condition with minimal effort. Incorporating septic tank treatments into your maintenance routine will keep your system functioning properly, protect the environment, and save money over time. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.